Mounted by the despot of the Nigerian Police Force, Delta State Government House, 0, Sergeant Jerry Awo. Gun formed up and ready for
Man, I come out now.
Yeah, you move forward. You take your picture. You move forward.
I'm brother.
Turn back. Watch your back. You'll be going back now. Shoot. Like have a longer shot. Why not shoot backward so you have a longer shot? Am I come back? Leg. Hello. Open up. Well, look at shot. We'll go there. They do it for the guard. Come out from there. Sir, come out from there.
You come out from there.
Only your governor here now. Which one be all this icing?
I don't know.
My most respected colleagues, the governors of the various states managing the affairs of PDP and the people, the members of the National National Working Committee, some of the invited persons here, distinguished members of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I will add a little to what my brother, the governor of Delta State, has said, and what we are set out to do here. We thank God for our community, for our forum, and for our vision. We have come to signify the national cohesion and unity that is required, the sharing of experiences, the collaboration, and indeed, each encapsulated in our party motto. And of course, we are driven by that sense of unity that our party signifies, and the protection and resilience that the party signifies too. We have different challenges, but certainly we are a party that has shown consistently that we believe in consultation, we believe in the corporate existence of Nigeria, because we sit down, irrespective of our diversity, to discuss issues of common interest to the nation, and of course, to provide opinion and solution where necessary, in a very honest manner, even though sometimes we are always suspected to be partisan. Ours is a call to duty and responsibility of leadership, and we will continue to do that. The PDP has come to stay because the scholars, the structures are always there and change, and our organs are working very well. Of course, we have the National Working Committee, the BOT, and we are always meeting. Our NEC and NWC are meeting, and we have always shown that our structures are functioning. We don't want to join issues with any party that has no any semblances of existence other than just a mere coming together to take part. We will work like this up to the time we believe Nigerians will give us the opportunity to do good governance in this country, and to be able to come with the insight of knowledge and understanding of the country, so that we can navigate through the different challenges that the country is facing. We thank all the members of the press who are here and Nigerians for the opportunity given to our members to serve and to provide services that are required. Thank you very much.